Alright guys, here we're working on my E92 328i. It's a 2011, but it shouldn't really matter as long as you have the same hood latch release. So you know that yellow lever that you're supposed to press? So mine here is actually seized. As you can see, it won't push left and right. So this is really kind of stale here. And it wouldn't open, I couldn't open the hood. So my solution to it was you'd want to hook a couple of zip ties. So it's going to be kind of tough because if you release the hood, you can prop this up just ever so slightly, but you can't actually open it up all the way, right? So you want to kind of sneak a couple of zip ties into these holes here, and you can't do it just to one unless you're using metal zip ties, because otherwise the zip ties will break, which I've already done before. So I'm using a series of zip ties just so you get double the strength, and then you kind of stand on the side of the car and yank it this way. So you can, if you pull it like that, as you can see, you'll open it up. And this is because that mechanism there is seized. So that worked for me. Hopefully this works for you guys as well. I almost forgot to say, I just cut the zip ties off. This is gonna be pretty seized here, like I said. So what you're gonna want to do is just spray some WD-40 on the latch there. So I held a towel underneath so it wouldn't drip all over the place. Sprayed some WD-40, and now check this out. Now it's not seized anymore. So that's really what you want to do. And now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see if this solution fixed it. Going straight to a car wash, don't mind the mats there. All right, let's see if it opens up. And with one hand operation, now it finally opens up very easily. So really happy about that. Definitely give it a shot, guys.